let's take a look at an example of virtual prototyping with ProEngineer in practice. Global Railway Engineering from South Africa have made the move from 2D to 3D with ProEngineer. By leveraging many of the product's simulation and analysis capabilities, they succeeded in establishing a virtual prototyping workflow that helped them save time and money. Global Railway Engineering was founded in 1996 and has established itself as a supplier of high-tech applications, products and innovations for railway engineering in both domestic and international markets. GRE holds specific intellectual property and patents worldwide within the railway industry. GRE is also well established to manufacture and supply all parts and types of freight wagons and freight cast bogies. They have 50 employees, including 2 design engineers, 2 design draftsmen, and an additional design contractor who is also proficient in ProEngineer. GRE introduced 3D CAD in 2005. The decision to do this was backed up by the size of projects that they were working on, that it really became clear to them that there was too many errors, and the cost of the design process was very, very expensive. So I'm going to explain a little bit around what that old process at GRE was. So they used 2D CAD tools for designing the wagons, the bogies, and any other railway components related to their projects that they were working on. This was a very costly process because it relied on manual prototyping. In the past, they were forced to produce expensive prototypes that were flown in from their suppliers in other continents. They had to manually assemble the product, test it to destruction, and then fix the design errors on the outcome. Thereafter, had to manufacture a new prototype. The process relied heavily on dedicated personnel, individuals' memory, people's experience, and also a manual change control process. A recent project confronted GRE with the challenges that would have been far too large to handle in 2D, and without the power of ProEngineer. The design specifications given by the potential client left them with the opportunity to break a world record design barrier, but in turn they were risking their reputation if the project failed. GRE had no time to do physical interface testing and the traditional test to destruction checks that they'd done in the past. Faced with these short time limits, they had to completely rely on ProEngineer FEA to meet these expectations. With ProEngineer, GRE was able to make use of design optimization, stress analysis, interface checks, animation to produce a product that was right first time, assembled perfectly, without destroying or scrapping any of the component parts. Every component that was made was used, and the project was completed within the specified time period. They used a wide range of ProEngineer's capabilities as part of this project. They used the sheet metal module. This allowed them to fabricate the adapter subframe under severe space and time limitations. They used ProEngineer's core modelling functions. That allows them good visualization and assembly of 3D models, provided a sound confirmation of fit, form as part of the design process. They created stress analysis reports with ProEngineer Mechanica. The ultimate tool for selecting materials and design acceptance was used iteratively as part of the design process as each design modification happened. Animation of moving components. By linking components and setting their degrees of freedom, GRE could establish with confidence how parts interrelate under load, wear and braking conditions. They also used interference checking and interface checking to provide clear and accurate information around tolerances and interferences. They then used the manufacturing areas of ProEngineer to create castings, moulds and core boxes. In this project, GRE estimated that they had reduced their manpower hours by approximately 2,500 hours, saved 8 months in their time to market, and saved approximately 900,000 Rand using the power of ProEngineer. This was achieved by reducing the drawing time and man hours as described. Saved the enormous costs of making prototypes and doing destructive testing, and ultimately got the product right first time. GRE understand the importance of ProEngineer within their business. They also understand the importance of working with a partner, in this case Product One, PTC's partner in South Africa. They understand that relationship can help them face their future challenges and succeed.